If your arch feels sore, whether from plantar fasciitis, daily wear, or transitioning to minimalist shoes, here's the simplest thing you can do about it. Find a firm ball around the size of a lacrosse ball. Stand with one hand on a wall for support. Place the ball under your foot and start rolling slowly, pausing wherever it feels a bit tight. Most people think rolling breaks up knots, that scar tissue builds up and a hard ball presses it all out. Work the knot out of the rope and the rope hangs loose, right? That's not how it works. The tissue along the bottom of your foot is some of the toughest in the body. The force required to reshape it is far more than a ball under your body weight can apply. What the ball is actually doing is highlighting resistant areas and giving you the opportunity to consciously relax into the pressure. When you find a tight spot, don't dig in. Ease back just enough so that you can let go of the tissue that's resisting the pressure of the ball. The feet feel better afterwards because you're overriding the nervous system's signal to keep those tissues contracted, not because you're changing the tissue through force. It's like telling your nervous system which rooms it left the lights on in so it can finally switch them off. This is the same principle I work with shiatsu. Sustained, comfortable pressure gives the nervous system time to notice the tension and release it. Forcing does the opposite. 2 or 3 minutes per foot is enough. If you want to test this out, after rolling just one foot, stand on both and notice the difference. The side you just rolled on usually feels more grounded, more open, more connected to the floor, less tense, and less sore. The tissue didn't change in 2 minutes, your nervous system did. Work on both feet equally, but they may not share the same tight spots, so make sure you let the unique sensitivities of each foot guide you. The ball is something you set aside time for, but you can stack foot conditioning into what you're already doing. Biomechanist Katie Bowman calls this stacking your life. Take a shallow tray, fill it with smooth river stones, and set it wherever you already stand. I found a welcome mat made of stones that I use, and mine lives in front of the kitchen sink for when I wash dishes. You could put it under a standing desk or anywhere where you spend time on your feet. The sole of the foot is one of the most nerve-dense surfaces on the body. Most footwear filters all of that out, and over time your brain's map of your foot loses detail. The stones give that map something complex to read again. Every small shift of weight is new input. So 10 minutes at the sink becomes 10 minutes of foot conditioning with no extra time scheduled. That's stacking your life. This is also why minimalist shoes can feel like a lot at first. Thinner soles let all of that information back in all at once, and underused muscles are being asked to do their job again. That's not damage, that's adaptation. Just take care of it. So, if you've got discomfort in your heel, the soles of your feet, or even your calves, and especially if you're transitioning to minimalist shoes, try rolling each foot 2 or 3 minutes a day. If you want to boost your progress, set a tray of stones up somewhere that you already stand. Try it consistently for 6 weeks and see how your body adapts. A tight arch loosens faster when you stop treating it as a tissue to be stretched and start treating it like a foot that needs to be woken up and brought back into your awareness.